CIOs are pushing back against AI vendors who treat pricing like product development. AI vendors are changing their pricing rates or models every few weeks, taking the agile development philosophy and applying it to pricing. But enterprise buyers are rejecting the volatility. This pricing strategy is creating a massive enterprise adoption crisis. I was recently analyzing this CIO report on vendor pricing experiments, and while everyone celebrates agile pricing, I see a fundamental misunderstanding of enterprise psychology that's costing AI vendors millions in lost deals. The top performing companies are changing pricing more than once every 30 days, but enterprise customers operate on completely different decision-making cycles. The Agile Pricing Paradox reveals why B2C tactics fail in B2B markets. Salesforce has offered multiple pricing models for its Agentforce AI product line, creating decision paralysis rather than competitive advantage. Enterprise buyers exhibit change aversion bias. They prefer predictable costs over optimal pricing. Software vendor AppFire is very cautious with consumption-based models and uses contracts to limit price variations with alerts when employees interact with use-based AI. The psychological reality: if I write an efficient algorithm or put a lot of feature sets behind AI, I can drive up my cost of goods sold. I have seen people make mistakes where overnight they will see tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars in unexpected costs. This fear of bill shock prevents adoption regardless of AI capability. Winning AI vendors are abandoning pricing experimentation for stability-first monetization. Instead of optimizing for theoretical revenue, they optimize for enterprise confidence and adoption velocity. Offer clear pricing tiers with consumption caps, not unlimited usage models. CIOs recommend using similar cost controls for AI tools as they do with cloud computing providers. Build pricing models around annual commitments with usage pools rather than pure consumption. Enterprises will pay premiums for predictability over variable optimization. Provide real-time usage monitoring and automatic alerts before hitting budget thresholds. Completely remove the fear of surprise bills that trigger procurement resistance. The strategic insight: enterprise sales cycles require pricing stability that spans 12 to 18 month evaluation periods, not 30-day optimization cycle. The deeper psychology reveals why agile pricing destroys enterprise trust. Cognitive load in procurement: enterprise buyers evaluate hundreds of variables during software selection. Pricing volatility adds complexity to already complex decisions. This usually triggers decision deferral syndrome. When faced with uncertain pricing, procurement teams postpone decisions rather than risk budget overrun. The opportunity cost of delayed AI adoption often exceeds any pricing optimization benefits. Enterprise buyers also exhibit vendor relationship stability bias. They prefer vendors who demonstrate long-term thinking through consistent pricing over those who optimize quarterly revenue through pricing experiment. The competitive advantage here: while competitors confuse customers with pricing changes, stable vendors become default choices for risk-averse enterprise buyers. Stop treating enterprise pricing like customer pricing optimization. Enterprise buyers don't want agile pricing. They want predictable, defensible costs they can budget and explain to stakeholders. The companies winning enterprise AI deals are those offering pricing stability, consumption visibility, and contract-based protection against bill shock. While competitors experiment with pricing models, focus on pricing confidence and adoption security. Build pricing strategies that reduce procurement risk rather than optimize theoretical revenue. Enterprise customers will pay premiums for certainty over savings with volatility. Drop a comment if you want me to analyze your enterprise pricing strategy next, or share how pricing volatility has affected your enterprise sales cycle. I'm Akhil from Monetizely.